The expandable card part 3, the mobile build and variants. Let's get rocking and rolling. We're going to be moving through the component set and variants. I'm going to add a variant, and this is going to be false. And this is going to be expand or collapse. I like to keep it short because you already have trouble seeing it from here. That's why I tend to take out the vowels. To make this the collapse state, I'm just going to grab that body copy. I'm going to set it to fixed. Good. 0.0001. Boom. Now it goes away. So now we need to make the mobile variant. I'm going to create a little bit more space here. And we're going to start out with these. As you can see, I've already kind of copied and pasted the style. I don't think you all need to see that again. Just going to call this card top. And the last thing that I want to do is put it right in here. And now I'm going to adjust all my auto layouts. As you can see, this is built just like this was built. Okay, we put the line inside, we're good to go. This is all together. I do need to adjust the auto layout settings here. I need to set those to fill. And I need to set the card top to fill. Once again, the parent should be set to fixed and the children should be set to fill. The exceptions are this accent line. I always want it to be 8 pixels wide, and I always want this image to be 80 pixels wide. Those are the exceptions as we look right here. Unless there's a button or it needs to be set to hug for a specific reason, that's the specific reason. I don't want that to be flexible. I want it to be a 1x1, and I want that accent line to be 8 pixels wide. I'm gonna steal this name real quick. I'm gonna turn it into a component. Paste in the new name. I know this is going to be true, but this is no longer desktop, so that's going to be false. And I'm going to drag it right into here. Everything's looking good. I do, however, need a collapsed state for this, so I'm going to go ahead and hit that. Same exact stuff as last time. Set to fixed. 0.0001. We are looking good. So let's check out our best practices so far. We've been naming our layers, which is awesome. We built it atomically, which we should. Everything is built in auto layout, so it should be able to horizontally expand and collapse, and it should hug to whatever content we put in it, especially the body copy there. Images are on their own layers. We've turned it into a component set. We've added variants. Now it's time for variant props. I'm gonna hit Command click. Gonna hit my targeting layer. If you don't know how to use targets, please check out my video on the variant targeting system. Links in the description and in the top right card. I'm gonna add name. And if you wanted to make an adjustment here, it's not gonna select these because this is built with a slightly different structure. So you do have to go in and apply that same component prop to these. Whoops, I'm gonna undo that. I'm gonna grab both of them and then I'm gonna apply that component property. Gonna do the same thing here. Let's call this body copy. Create, target, grab both of them. Now this makes sure that the copy is linked. So when I change states, or when I change from desktop to mobile, the copy is going to stay the same. Let's run a little test. I'm gonna say this is for YouTube, so we just have a distinct name. I'm gonna move over to my test frame here. I'm gonna start out with YouTube, boom, okay. Let's center this up and we'll put it in the top. We'll also test a mobile version. Okay, this works. Everything is looking as it should. Oh, these are expanded states, so we want to change that. And, hey buddy, get on in there. We want to change that. So we are back here. Let's check out the interactivity of the prototype. Nothing there, nothing there. That's because we did not rig it up, but we're going to right now. So that's the end of this part, but stay tuned for more.